Hey everyone, I'm Jasmine from Modern Spare, and today I'm going to show you how to change your spare tire on your 2023 Toyota BZ4X. Before we get into it, please remember that your safety is our #1 priority. Throughout this entire process, please take all precautions necessary to ensure your safety when installing your spare tire. If you purchased our optional safety kit, the next 20 seconds of the video will explain what's included and how to use it. One optional accessory we have are these collapsible wheel chocks. You're going to open them up, slide them under, and these can go under either unaffected tire. Another optional accessory we have is our safety kit, which includes a high visibility vest, safety triangles, and a pair of gloves. Hold up, real quick, I'm going to introduce Matt, who will go over a couple things that are super important and may help you avoid some future headaches.
Hi, I'm Matt from Modern Spare. I just wanted to cover a couple of things that can really help you avoid some frustration during the spare tire installation process. Check if your vehicle has what are called decorative lug covers. These covers are usually made of plastic and they can look just like actual lug nuts, and some are even chrome plated. They will definitely be frustrating if you're trying to take a wheel off without realizing that actual lugs are underneath these covers. They are typically easy to remove, and when looking closely, they are also easy to identify as covers and not the actual lug nut or lug bolt. One other thing to look for, check to see if your car has locking lugs. These devices help prevent your wheels from being stolen. They do require a keyed adapter, which is usually found in your glove box or somewhere in your vehicle. The adapter will work just fine with the Modern Spare lug wrench set.
Now that we are ready to proceed, before we lift the vehicle with the jack, we only need to loosen the lugs, but remember, only loosen them, do not remove them. Now that we have loosened the lugs and before lifting the vehicle, it is very important that you locate the proper lifting point of your vehicle. All modern vehicles have a very specific lift point. Please refer to your vehicle's owner's manual and look under the vehicle to locate these points. Here's a pro tip. A really cool feature about our kit is that our carrying case can be used as a knee pad when lifting the car. Please note the yellow ratcheting jack handle has a small switch, as seen here, that changes the ratchet direction for lifting and lowering the jack. Place the jack under the vehicle and raise it by hand until it makes contact with the vehicle lift point. Then make sure it's properly aligned with the lifting point. Begin raising the vehicle with the ratcheting jack handle, then pause and inspect the jack to ensure proper placement. Once confirmed it is safe to continue, raise the vehicle until the failed tire is completely off the ground. You can now remove the lugs entirely by hand with the socket. When removing the failed tire, use the proper lifting technique, as seen here, to avoid any back strain. Once removed, locate your large poly tire bag, which is part of the complete spare tire kit. Open the bag and cover the failed tire. This will keep your car's interior clean. Next, let's place the spare on the hub, lift the wheel into place, and make sure it is matted squarely into the vehicle hub. Slightly rotate the wheel and make sure the lug holes are lined up. It's a good idea to use the wrench set to tighten the lugs more to ensure the wheel is seated properly, although this is not the final tightening process. Now you will switch the ratchet jack handle to begin lowering the jack. When the tire makes sufficient contact with the ground, finish tightening the lugs to spec. Make sure to tighten the lugs in a star pattern. You can reference the torque levels in your car's owner's manual to gauge tightness. After lugs are fully tightened, you can continue lowering the jack until the vehicle is fully on the ground. Lower the jack completely and remove and gather up all tools and accessories, placing them back into your vehicle. Make sure to retrieve your wheel chocks and safety triangles if you are using them. With all that said and done, that's how you change your spare tire on your 2023 Toyota BZ4X. We want to give a big shout out to Tony Davino in Riverdale for letting us use our vehicle. And lastly, please like and subscribe to our channel so you can follow along for any future updates and education. See you guys next time.